In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a purchase of services on cash from an alternative vendor. So let's say that on 12th of January, we purchase a dyeing services from Anderson Dyeing. Normally our regular vendors shall be dyeing mills, but sometimes when the order is more and we have more cloth to fulfill in orders of shirts, we take alternative vendors as well. But this is not our regular vendor. So we purchase this on cash. Let's see how we can enter this. Click on vendors, click on bills and click on new. If you want to mention this vendor, it's up to you. Otherwise you can mention the cash vendor as well. So cash vendors, all the cash vendors will be dealt in here. Click on the person and click save. The bill date is of 13th of January. The bill date is of 12th of January. And now let's add a service item here. For that, we will enable the product again and enable the quantity again. Let's select the products, click on search more and click on new. And here we will just mention the service name as dyeing services. We purchase this service, we don't sell it, and it's a service. Rest is all good. I don't need to change anything. The expense account, I'll just mention as cost of goods sold, and that's it. Click save. Dyeing services goes in cost of goods sold, and the price is just mention 5,000 here. It will multiply it by 1 and you have the amount. So all set, click on journal items to see the journal entry effect. Cost of goods sold is debit and creditors is credit. And if we click on confirm, since this is a cash payment, we will immediately click on pay and it is paid by cash. I've already configured cash. It's a manual payment and we are paying immediately to Anderson Dyeing on the same date, which is 12th of January. In the memo, we can use this reference and click on create payment. We can click on the payments and it says it's in process. Click on validate and now it is paid. And if we check the vendors and payments, it's shown as paid now. So this is how you can deal with the purchase of cash services in Odoo. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.